Here we go. Wow. Look at this, guys. This is the old Tech Steve studio. It's hard to believe it's been a little bit over a year and I outgrew this space. This is the space that I always wanted when I started YouTubing. Now, a lot of us, we do film out of our bedrooms or our homes, and I wanted to have some type of office space. So I moved into this space and I've been able to create some pretty decent videos. But I want to show you guys around and show you what's to come for the channel. So this is where I used to have the TV storage, and over here we had the fiber internet and all that good stuff plugged in. In this room, we used to have backup TVs, kind of like in this area. And over here is where I used to have the editing computers. You might have seen it on some of the videos. Now this was the main room that I used for filming TVs. And if you remember, I had a wall right here. I built it and I painted this side of it because this was behind the wood. So this is Studio One that I used to film in. And the thing is that I have a lot of memories in here. And one of the interesting things is when you get into a space, you get into a thing of convenience, and that convenience can keep you from growing to the next level. And this is the second studio. Now the thing about this space is I needed more room, and I want to make a podcast and I want to have a top-down table because, as you can see, the other room wasn't large enough. So I moved into this space as a secondary. Now when I was in this space, there was a water leak. And as you can see here, they pulled out the carpet, but at one time, half this wall was gone. And you might have seen videos where I had the top-down table. I had a pull-down projector on this wall right here. But as you can see, it's all in disarray at the moment. In this room, I used to have an editing computer. I had backup wires and cables. And as you can see, it's just a shadow of itself. And if you ever seen any of my podcasts, this is the room that I actually filmed in. On this wall, it was a fake wall that I built, and then I stuck these nice little panels on it. And I used to have a light right here shining down on me, and all the computer was behind the scene. But all of that's gone now, and the thing is I could tell you is that there's something better coming for the channel. Over the last year, it's been a little bit of a challenge, trying to keep everything going, buying TVs, getting loaners, as well as getting some sent to me. So that's been some of the things that I really want to do. However, when I started this channel, I want to make all types of videos, from computer videos to how to clone hard drives and things like that. So I do have a secondary channel that I will start uploading those type of videos on. But I want to give you guys a little backstory of how everything became. Now, a while back, I found a space in this office where it was larger than what I had with these two combined. And I'm taking a gamble to see if I can go to the next level, making better content for you guys, as well as getting to some other things I really enjoy. But sometimes in life, you have to close one chapter to move into the next. And that brings us to today. So this is going to be the new Tech Steve studio, and it had to do some remodels on it, but at least the remodel's done, and I will be setting everything up. So as of now, I haven't configured everything that I want, but over here is that white table I had in my last video. And look at this real estate that I have. It's plenty of room to do just about anything that I like. Now I'm still unpacking, but I want to show you guys around. Here's the kitchen. And as you can see here, it is a much bigger space. Now, as far as the podcast, I decided to paint it blue. So this is going to be the room that's going to be used for that. And over here, I'm gonna set up a gaming computer. And again, this is not gonna be the final design, but I want to show you what it looks like for now before I get everything unpacked. This is gonna be a home theater room. And I still have the 120-inch daylight screen over there. I'm gonna put the top-down table in here while I'm not filming projectors. And I just did a video on the AWOL Vision, which is a great projector. And I have the 100-inch screen already mounted. So if we go over to this room, this is where the server room is set up. And again, I'm still fixing the wires for it. And I do have all the TVs all set up here. These panels I'm gonna repaint. The internet on here is 1 gigabit up and down. I have my Ring alarm, and over here we have a switch that can do 10 gigabits per second. Coming out these wall switches that are located in each room. Still haven't unboxed this. This is the TCL X11L. So let's go into this room. Again, I'm still unpacking, hot mess, but I'm gonna use this room for calibration. I already got the TV set up in here, and I will be switching out different TVs. And the great thing is, it's gonna be a dark environment. So if I need to calibrate something, I can control the lights with a separate light. But this kind of gives you an idea of this particular setup. And for my editing, I have my computer set up here. There's a computer for my editor, a green screen, and I will be putting a TV here so we can look at the content before it uploads on future videos. So, hope you guys like this new setup. Once I get everything up and running, it's gonna be fantastic. And I want to show you what this space looks like before the remodel. It had a pony wall that they used to use for a secretary. It also had carpet in here, which probably was better for acoustic, but I wanted something more modern. But I really feel in this new space, I will be able to create better content, more content, and do it a lot more efficiently than going upstairs and downstairs. So I hope you guys like this studio tour. And as you see new videos, you will start seeing it a lot more as I get everything figured out and put in this right spot. Thanks all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.